Sorry, I'm choking a little bit. United 448 crash. Let's just direct that one.
Okay, yeah, somebody's checking with the tower up there. I think American Operations is. There's something going on up there.
No, we agree.
Let's consider by
your radio is coming in broken and unreadable. Say again for Alaska 608.
Frontier send.
Ground, our Frontier 1142 is our spot 1. You're coming in broken.
Tower Alaska 608, short final 1 left.
Flight 6, go ahead. Radar contact. Code land.
Somebody up there that knows what they're doing.
Hospital was GERD. Enter Las Vegas Class Service.
Power, Hawaii Nation, do you have anybody else up there?
Hawaii Nation, be sent by.
United 448, spot 7, attack.
448, sent by.
Tower Alaska 608.
Alaska 608, sent by.
United 448, you gave us taxi instructions to 26 right. You want us to go to 1 right?
Frontier 1142 is spot 1.
Frontier is 262.
Frontier 1142 is spot number 1.
Frontier 1142, Las Vegas ground, stand by.
Everybody holds short of 1 right. We're number 1. We're a little concerned about this, so we're kind of waiting it out.
Springs 1069, you're concerned about what?
Frontier 262 is holding short of 1 right.
Springs 1069, just stand by on our spot.
I'm sorry, say again for Spirit 1069.
Springs 1069, stand by on our spot.
Ramp, spare wing, set 1069.
Go ahead.
I hate to ask you this, but
Do you have a supervisor?
something's wrong.
Frontier 762, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Say that again?
Frontier 762, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay, confirm it's Frontier 262, clear for takeoff, 1 right.
Sorry, Frontier 262, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Tower American 2785, holding short of 2 flight of Alpha 6.
Thank you. You said 2685? One more time. What was your call? Cross 126 right, ground point 1.
Biggest tower, Frontier 1125 is on the visual, 26 left. And the inbound aircraft, this is Spirit 1069 on the ground here in Las Vegas. Something wrong with